What can I do? What's left for a time bomb to choose? Then to count down our time to the end, knowing what we've been through. Tell me now, isn't that cruel? So what now? You hope for the best while I'm waiting for less. Such a beautiful mess, tell me how time will allow us not to take our final bows just before the night escapes us, waiting for the waves to take us. Let me look in your eyes. Your smile's always been mine. Just before this ends, I'll look back, waiting for the screen to turn black. If I could ever rewind, know that we were never a waste of time. Kept on giving all the wrong signs, dead ends when we took drives. Kept on trying just to stop trying. Tired of always being so tired. We had it all, can't deny. Hurts to you to say goodbye when your eyes tell me no. We can't design how sands of time will flow. Just have to let go. Our scars are so perfectly placed. The memories fade but remain. Put your hand in mine. We'll be alright, the finish line's just one dance. So just before